Welcome to Talkin Trash, and today we're at the Becker County Solid Waste Campus, and we're at the Waste Diversion Facility, actually the Pay Station Waste Diversion Facility. And so this is our new home in the last year, I believe, but how we started out with our waste diversion program is we had event sales. So we got the person from Better Futures to come up and start pulling things out of the waste stream. And then we had event sales. So we had one in October, one in December, one in February, and one in April. Had great sales, 100 to 150 people came and bought items, all the things that we found in our waste stream. Pretty exciting stuff. And so we moved to this facility a year ago, May. And so this has been a great addition. And you'll see when we do a tour here how full we are. We've got lots of stuff coming in. So, and we'll let Lisa talk a little bit about how we intake things here, where we get it, and that kind of thing. So Lisa, can you explain a little bit about that?
Yeah. So my first portion is just being in the transfer station itself. So when residents come in to get rid of any garbage or anything else that they have here, I will try to look at most of the loads and see if they have any good or reusable items, and then I will ask if I can set those off to the side or if they would like to donate the items to the program. And then also I will look at any commercial loads that get dumped inside the transfer station, but then I will also check our demolition landfill, our metal pile, and sometimes our concrete pile for any reusable items in those areas. So that is kind of just the main areas that I will actually look at loads and the piles to find any of the items. And then we've also just recently started accepting donations, so that has become another section that I can find items.
So people that are coming to the transfer station and know that we have this program here and they can donate it. So is it possible to get a slip? Because Better Futures is a nonprofit organization?
Yes, so part of being a donation is that you can get rid of your items for free, but then it comes to this program. So then I am able to give a slip that customers can take, and I write down the items that they dropped off, and they can bring that to their tax person for a little bit of a write-off. Most people don't want it just because it's very minimal, but when someone brings in like a lot of dressers or cabinets, they do want that. So there is the option for a tax slip if you want one.
That's been a great addition, the availability of a tax donation slip. People love that. But people are just excited that their items are being reused, that it doesn't have to go into the waste stream. And so a lot of times they'll come up to the transfer station and say, this is good, do you want this down at the store? And so that's pretty exciting that people are learning about what we do here and why we do it. What kind of comments have you gotten from people with items down here? Is there anything particular?
A lot of people are just excited that their items can get reused, that someone else can use them. Mm-hmm. Another part of it is they don't have to pay to get rid of it, but they're just mainly happy that someone else can use their item for a little bit longer.
Right. If it goes up to the transfer station and it doesn't get used down here and it goes through our system, they have to pay. It's going through our solid waste system, so there's a cost, which makes sense. And so most people are just so excited that it's being reused, and that's a great program. Have you seen the items that come in change much? I mean, is it different kind of stuff, or is it seasonally?
There's always a variety of items coming in. Every week there's something new to our store. We do see a few common items such as chairs, dressers, cabinets, shelving. Those are kind of just the main ones that come in, but there's also other knickknacks. We can give examples in a little bit.
And one of the favorite things that come out here, and less so in the winter, but lumber. We actually have some space out back. And so in the next episode, we'll talk about some of the items that we have so much of that we have to put out back. So join us with our next program, and have a great day.